Guys, you had one job, vehicle delivery. But what I got was a $50,000 bill. We've got jumping a vehicle on B Street and 23rd. We got reckless driving, drag racing, moving violations. Oh, my favorite. $29 for a BLT. So that's a California BLT price. Must have had avocados, hope it was good, when you're driving 116 miles an hour past this poor guy, just trying to have lunch. Now guys, just get out of here before I get another one of these.
This time, I'm driving.